Hey everybody, welcome back to the Dolled Up Desserts baking channel. You may have noticed that I'm not wearing my typical pink bandana, and that's because the holidays are upon us. Today we're making gluten-free and vegan white chocolate cranberry blondies. These remind me a lot of the cranberry bliss bars that are sold at Starbucks. Of course, those things are A, terrible for you, but B, also not gluten-free and vegan. This is a great way for you to mimic the flavors of the cranberry bliss bar right in the comfort of your own home. In this video, I have vegan white chocolate. Now that can be pretty hard to come by. You can usually find it online. Some brands that I know are vegan white chocolates are No Whey, iChoc, Free. If you are interested in learning how to make these white chocolate cranberry blondies, make sure you stick around. For those of you who are stumbling on our channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Katarina. I am the chief dessert designer and founder of Dolled Up Desserts. Dolled Up Desserts is a real gluten-free and vegan bakery from Hamilton, Ontario in Canada, and this channel is our platform to share super simple, delicious, bakery-inspired recipes that are all gluten-free and vegan using our premium baking mixes. All of our recipe videos, even though most of them are baking mix centered, contain information that you can apply to any of your baking. We cover super important tips, tricks, skills, and things that you need to remember while baking inclusive allergy-free treats. So whether you are an experienced baker or you are learning to bake for the very first time, if you want to learn more about allergen-free inclusive baking, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you can stay up to date with everything Dolled Up Desserts. And now without further ado, let's get making those white chocolate cranberry blondies. Alright, so the first things first with any of our blondie recipes is we are going to take our flax pack out of our blondie pack and we're going to mix it in with some water. Now if you watched our video and when we ranked all the best egg replacers and worst egg replacers for vegan brownies, you're welcome to sub in whatever egg replacer you want. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you check it out. The link for that video is in the little information icon right up there. Next, add to your mixing bowl the coconut oil, your maple syrup, and your flaxseed. Stir it all together and add in your baking mix. So far things have been pretty easy and really they're not going to get that much more tough. You're going to next add in all of your festive mix-ins. We're going to add in some unsweetened shredded coconut, some cranberries, because cranberries and coconut together are super delicious, and we're also going to add in some chopped nuts. Now, I'm adding in pecans because that's what I have in my house, but macadamias are also another amazing nut to throw into this, as well as potentially pistachios. Get creative, use whatever nut that you feel you want to use, or don't even use nuts at all. It's totally up to you. Once you've stirred in all your mix-ins evenly with your spatula, you're going to grab a 9x9 inch baking pan, greased or parchment lined, pour in your blondie batter, spread it out evenly, and then you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for approximately 25 minutes. Once your blondies are done baking, you can let them cool off in the pan, and in the interim, we're going to melt our white chocolate. I would have put white chocolate into these blondies, but the white chocolate that I used, which is free white chocolate, it actually at really high temperatures, for some reason, transforms into a hard kind of white chocolatey candy. It's probably a crystallization of the rice milk that they use in it, as well as the sugar. Not a big deal, but I wanted the white chocolate to remain in its kind of white chocolatey form. So instead, I'm going to drizzle white chocolate all over the top of these blondies. In addition, because you guys know I'm super extra, I'm actually gonna drizzle on some dark chocolate too, because you never can have enough chocolate on holiday treats. Am I right? Yeah, I am. It's like you put a fruit nut bar in a blondie. It's fruity, it's crunchy, it's got like nuttiness. The white chocolate and the dark chocolate complement each other perfectly. 10 out of 10, as usual. So good. Thank you so much for watching another one of our super simple gluten-free and vegan recipe videos. If you enjoyed learning how to make white chocolate cranberry blondies and you want to stay up to date with all of our other holiday recipes that are be coming out in the next few weeks, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date. And if you do decide to make this or any of our holiday treats, or any treat in general that's on our channel, and you do share it on social media, make sure you tag us at Dolled Up Desserts Baking so we can see it and share it with everybody on our social media network. Thanks for watching!